The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome isn't just a machine, it's a lifestyle on wheels. Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the world's most extraordinary vehicles. Today, we're reviewing one of the most powerful and luxurious motorhomes out there, built on the backbone of the legendary Kenworth W900. Let's start with the design. The W900's long, aggressive nose and timeless grille are iconic in the trucking world. And this 2025 edition holds on to that classic look while integrating subtle modern updates like LED headlamps, chrome-plated trim, aerodynamic side panels, and a polished stainless steel finish that glistens in the sun. You can tell immediately this isn't your average RV, it's a showstopper. But don't let that rugged exterior fool you. Inside, it's a whole different world. Step into the cabin and you're greeted by handcrafted interiors. The dashboard has been upgraded with digital touchscreens and advanced driver assist systems, but it still respects the classic Kenworth style with analog gauges and solid switchgear. It's the perfect balance of old-school charm and new-age tech. Now let's move to the heart of this beast, the motorhome conversion. The 2025 W900 Motorhome is more than a sleeper cab, it's a fully equipped residential suite on wheels. Imagine entering a space with slide-outs that extend the width to nearly double. You've got real wood cabinetry, leather recliners, a massive U-shaped sofa, and a smart TV with surround sound mounted on the wall. The kitchen? It's better than most apartments. There's a solid surface countertop, a full-size fridge, microwave, induction cooktop, and even a built-in coffee machine. Some builds even feature a small bar counter for those evening stops under the stars. And yes, there's running hot water, a water filtration system, and even solar panels on the roof for off-grid independence. The sleeping area features a plush memory foam mattress, blackout curtains, reading lights, and temperature controls. Right next to the bed, walk toward the back and you'll find a full bathroom with a tiled standing shower, porcelain toilet, vanity sink, and heated floors. Yes, heated floors in a Moto RHOME. Performance-wise, it's everything you expect from a Kenworth. Powered by a Paccar MX-13 or optional Cummins X15, you're getting up to 605 horsepower and over 2,000 pound-feet of torque. Towing another vehicle? No problem. Climbing steep grades? Easy. This truck is built for the long haul and performs like a dream on open highways. Driving it might seem intimidating at first, but owners say it's smoother than you'd imagine. With an automatic transmission option, adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, and lane assist, it's surprisingly manageable even for new RVers. Plus, the air suspension makes long drives feel incredibly smooth, most like gliding on air. Storage is another highlight. Underbody compartments integrated. Roof racks and slide-out drawers provide ample space for tools, outdoor gear, and even motorbikes. Some versions come with built-in outdoor kitchens or power awnings for the ultimate campsite setup. Reviews from motorhome enthusiasts have been overwhelmingly positive. They praise the W900 for its durability, luxury, and uniqueness. It's not just a vehicle, a head-turning experience that makes every journey an event. You won't find anything else quite like it on the road. Of course, a fully built 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome doesn't come cheap. Depending on customization, you're looking at anywhere from $450,000 to over $800,000. But for those seeking comfort, performance, and prestige in one package, it delivers unmatched value. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. If you loved this review, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels. Drop a comment and tell us if you had the keys to this beast. Where would you drive it first? Until next time, keep chasing the road.